Alright, so let me show you something. This is a very common kind of Excel file people work with. Names, sales, dates, cities. But when you actually start working with files like this, formulas don't work properly. Totals go wrong, filters behave weird. That's because a lot of problems in Excel are hidden. Extra spaces, numbers that are actually text, inconsistent text, blank rows. So in this video, I'm going to clean this file and show you simple Excel features that already exist and can fix messy data in minutes. Let's start with the first problem, hidden spaces. So look at these names here. When I click inside the cell, you will notice there are a lot of extra spaces. Some before the name, some in between, some after. And these hidden spaces are one of the biggest reasons Excel formulas stop working. So what I'm going to do is, I will add a new column here and I will call this clean name. Now in the first cell, I will type an equal sign, start typing trim. You will see Excel suggests it here. I will select it. Now I will click the name John Doe and close the bracket. Press enter. See that? Same name but all extra spaces are gone. With this cell selected, I will move the cursor to the bottom right corner, wait for this little plus sign and drag it down to the rest of the rows. So just like that, we have cleaned the first problem. Now look at the sales amount column. If I try to total them, things don't work properly. And this is another very common Excel problem. Numbers that are actually stored as text. So I'm going to quickly convert this into real numbers. I will go to the Data tab, click on Text to Columns. I'm not changing anything here. I will just click Next, Next, and Finish. And that's it. Now Excel understands these are real numbers and formulas work properly. Once your numbers are fixed, Excel becomes much easier to work with. Now look at the city column. Some are all lowercase, some are all uppercase, some have random spaces. It doesn't look clean. And it also causes problems when sorting or filtering. So I'm going to fix this using a simple built-in Excel function. I will name a new column next to city. I will type equals, start typing proper. Select it from the list, select New York and close the bracket. Press enter. And now watch the result. It automatically fixes the capitalization. Just like before, I will drag it down to apply it to the rest of the names. And now the entire column looks clean and consistent. Now you must have noticed there are blank rows in between the data. These blank rows cause problems when sorting, filtering or building reports. So let me quickly remove them. Select the whole data area, press Ctrl G, click Special, choose blanks and OK. Now I will right click, delete and choose entire row. And all the blank rows are gone. This makes Excel much easier to work with. So in just a few minutes, we clean this entire file. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for topics you want me to cover, please drop a comment below. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.